Athletics is where we start, as world and Olympic champion Shelly-Ann Fraser-Pryce has been added to the growing list of athletes confirmed for Saturday's JN Racers Grand Prix. Karen Madden has tonight's preview.
The diminutive sprinter, nicknamed Pocket Rocket, had her first taste of international competition on Saturday at the Cayman Invitational. She finished second in 11.33 behind Jenna Prandini of the United States. But after clocking 11.52 in her opener at the J3's all-comers meet, Fraser-Pryce told reporters she was pleased with her progress.
I'll say it's my second 100 meters and basically my first competitive 100. So I'm really pleased about the effort, and I have to give God thanks and just continue to train hard and press forward.
A day after that run, the organizers of the JN Racers Grand Prix have announced that the athlete, who became the first woman to win back-to-back Olympic and World Championship titles, will line up in a highly stacked 100 meters on Saturday. In only her second international outing since returning from the birth of her first child last August, the national record holder with 10.70 will again have to contend with American Jenna Prandini, who got the better of her at last Saturday's Cayman Invitational. The field also includes Commonwealth Games silver and bronze medalist Christania Williams and Guyan Evans. Two young prodigies are also included in the American Candace Hill, who became the first high schooler to record sub-11 over 100 meters, as well as the at Bolden-trained fast-rising Jamaican schoolgirl Brianna Williams. 2017 world champion Tori Bowie is still listed, although she appeared to have picked up an injury at the Eugene Diamond League last month. The field is rounded out by Kellyanne Baptiste of Trinidad and Tobago. Live coverage of the JN Racers Grand Prix will be on TVJ, TVJSN, and OneSpotMedia.com. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.